Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this section of tutorial we are going to see that how to install Eclipse IDE for Java programming language. So as we have already installed JDK in our last section of tutorials, and also we have done one program, that is a Hello World program, with the help of Notepad. Now here we'll see that how to download and install Eclipse. So without wasting of our time, let's start with the installation part. So before installation, I will give you a brief introduction about Eclipse. So Eclipse is an integrated development environment, that is IDE, used in computer programming. It contains a base workspace and an extensible plugin system for customizing the environment. It is written mostly in Java, and its primary use is for developing Java applications, but it may also be used to develop applications in other languages like C, C++, C Sharp, etc. And it is a open source, released under the terms of Eclipse public license, although it is incompatible with the GNU general public license. It was one of the first IDE to run under GNU class path, and it runs without problems under IST. So this was the brief introduction about Eclipse. Now let's start with the download and installation part. So just go to the Google and write Eclipse download. It will take you to the link here, Eclipse download, the Eclipse Foundation, www.eclipse.org. So just click on this and it will open a download page for you. Here get a Eclipse IDE download 64-bit. Just click on this and it will take you another download page, that is this, and just click here and it will thank you for you to download this. So here download has been started, so I have already downloaded it. So you just download it, and I will show you that how to install it after downloading. So just go to the file location where your Eclipse IDE has been downloaded. So I will go to the place. So here my Eclipse IDE is. So I will just click on 2 times on this and it will ask for run. Just click on run, and after some time it will start installing. So it is opening here now. It will take a few seconds to open the installation page. So here it is opening. So you will see lots of option for the installation part, like Eclipse IDE for Java developer, for enterprises developer, for C, C++, for web and JavaScript, and for PHP, and many more. So we just need to install this option, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Just click on this and it will open a new page. Here you will see this is your JDK file path, that is where your JDK which you have downloaded, and here your location of your Eclipse installation. So where your Eclipse will be installed, this folder is for that. So you can change it from clicking on this. So you can change it easily, and you can also see that this is a JDK file. So be sure that your JDK version is above 8, otherwise Eclipse will not work. So I have downloaded 30.0.2, so it is greater than 8th version, so it will work on this. So just click on install and it will start installing your Eclipse IDE. So it may take a few minutes to download it. So it is working. It will take a few minutes. So this is the only way that how you will be able to install your Eclipse in your system. It will take a few minutes, that's why I am ending this tutorial at this part. In the upcoming tutorials I will show you the function of Eclipse and also working with Java variables. But for now this is end up of this tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.